Step into the 2012 Nissan Armada. A 5.6-liter V8 engine pairs with a sophisticated 5-speed automatic transmission, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Top features include front fog lights, a trip computer, a power liftgate, and more. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. Third-row seats expand the maximum passenger capacity to 7. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, a 9GB hard drive, and 12 speakers, ensuring optimal sound no matter where you're seated. Nissan also prioritized safety and security by including anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Safety and maximum capability are assured via self-leveling rear suspension, which maintains optimal driving geometry. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Stop in and take a test drive.